Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel where we give you the latest updates in the world of website building, tools and technology. In this latest series, we are going to explore the new Wix Studio Editor, a powerful web building platform that will allow you to create custom pixel-perfect websites that meet your exact vision. In this series of videos, I'm going to take you step by step and help you create a custom website using the editor, showcasing all its new features. So whether you are looking to showcase your portfolio, start an online business, or simply share your passions with the world, this playlist will equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. So let's dive in and discover the endless possibilities of website creation with the Wix Studio Editor. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep you updated with the new videos as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So what exactly is new with the new Wix Studio Editor? The new Wix Studio Editor is essentially this powerful and flexible platform for agencies, freelancers, and other professionals to create and manage websites for their clients. It offers a wide range of features and capability, including pixel level control. So the Studio Editor now gives you complete control over every aspect of your website's design, from the layout to the typography. You can also use custom CSS to achieve even more precise customization. The Studio's Editor's AI responsiveness feature automatically optimizes your website for all devices and screen sizes. This ensures that your website looks and functions perfectly on any platform without any additional effort on your part. The editor also now comes with out-of-the-box design tools. So this includes tools that make it really easy to create professional-looking websites, even if you don't have any coding experience. Collaboration has never been easier. With the Studio Editor is now a collaborative platform that allows you to work on your website with other team members or clients in real time. This makes it really easy to manage multiple projects and ensure that everyone is on the same page. And this all new advanced functionality. So the Studio Editor also includes a variety of advanced features like the ability to create custom database-driven websites, integrate with third-party APIs, and so much more. Overall, the new Wix Studio Editor is a powerful and flexible platform that offers everything you need to create and manage professional looking websites for your clients. It's also really easy to use even if you don't have any coding experience. If you're looking for a powerful and flexible platform to create and manage websites for your clients, the new Wix Studio Editor is a great option. Throughout these videos in our playlist, we are going to go step by step creating a simple blog website. We'll show you how to update the themes, use the templates and blank canvases, create headers, footers, using the new AI tools, including the image generators, content creators, and the AI assistants, and also how to publish a blog and eventually publish your site live. Overall, the new Wix Studio Editor is a powerful and flexible platform that can be used to create a wide range of websites, from simple landing pages to creating complex e-commerce sites. It's also very easy to use, even if you don't have any coding experience. It's important to note that currently it's only available to a limited number of agencies and freelancers in select countries, but Wix is planning to roll it out to everyone in the near future. If you are interested in using the new Wix Studio Editor, you can sign up for the waitlist on the Wix website. You'll be notified when it becomes available in your country. In the meantime, you can still use classic Wix Editor to create and manage your websites as well. So thank you for joining us in this quick update for the new Wix Studio Editor. In the next video, we are going to get started using the Wix Editor to create a blog website, and we'll discuss the pros and cons of using the templates and blank canvases as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos, and see you in the next one.